Got a quick update on the Miata. GoPro was broke, so I wasn't able to record for a while. Plus, been busy with work. Haven't really got to tackle this thing as much as I wanted to. But what I had recorded is corrupted. But since I've been gone, we've got the subframe cleaned up. No rust issues. Just went ahead and undercoat sprayed it, and prepped it just for future, so there's no rust issues in the future. We're waiting on parts for it now. We got springs, suspension, brakes, calipers, anything subframe besides the rear diff stuff will be done soon. That'll be the next update on this car, and then after that I'll be able to roll it. I want to roll it out, turn it around, bring it in, and we're going to pull the motor out. We found out it starts, kind of. But we're going to go ahead and take the motor apart, do all the seals. No clacking or anything. The motor sounds healthy. The gaskets are just done for. Injectors are done for. One's leaking, actually. We got new spark plugs in it right now. But we have, the injectors, the coil pack. The injectors I'm waiting on. And then that'll be tackled. Finally getting ready to get back into this thing. Winter's hit us, so it's a little cold, but stuff that I can get figured out, we'll go from there. It's actually kind of hard to find some of the parts on this thing, surprisingly. Most places don't seem to have them. I had to check multiple websites, but we're going to start the update series on this again, and then I'm also going to start on this. I'm going to start vlogging this thing, this abomination that I have. LS swapped, 79 Spirit, T56 that have a Trans Am, still has the old AMC 20 rear end in it, etc., but I got a couple of leaks down there that I gotta attend to. Radiator's leaking, gonna have to pull it out. Holley EFI will be coming in it. The steering is probably gonna be the first thing I do. All the front suspension on it, new bushings, polyurethane. I mean, 40-year-old car, the bushings are worn out for good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it all taken care of. And we're also gonna do a 373 geared Ford 88 in the rear end. I'll have to go to the junkyard and we'll have to cut it and narrow it and stuff. So that'll be an adventure. But that should get her going pretty good. I thought I had 410 gearing in the rear end of this. Jeep stamps them as an M. M is 410 geared posi track. Turns out there's a W. I never went down to the bottom of the list, but there's a W, which is 258 open diff, which is disgusting. So we're gonna rip that ugly thing out, sell it, or find someone who wants an original AMC rear end and put in something that'll spin them both and better gearing. But yeah, we're gonna go in and get on it, and most of the Miata, since this is my personal vehicle, I'll save up and get the time to actually tackle stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy on the floor again. Tires, etc. Got the whole undercoating. I guess I can get under there and show you. But I mean, new gas tank. The gas tank's in. Fuel filter's in. These old fuel lines right here, these old connectors, I bought high pressure fuel line clamps. I gotta put those in. But I mean, undercoating, the whole body looks pretty darn good. Yeah, we'll go from there. It's disgusting. I'm gonna get the drivetrain going real good. While I'm taking out the centerpiece though out there, I'll clean it up real good and underbody spray it. And in the future, we'll check the actual unibody and stuff, make sure it's all kosher. But I mean, basically it's just a bunch of cleanup now. Just new seals, new performance parts. Not like crazy performance, but brakes, suspension, interiors. There was a hole in the tarp, so we're gonna get it all. It's all these need to be reupholstered, or new seats in general. The dyno mat, pulled it out. It was disgusting, moldy. Actually got some new what do they call them, dyno mat panels that we'll put on there, and then put some new carpet in there, pretty it up again, get it all unuglied. We'll probably do the trunk next. It's not bad. I guess the battery this one had a leak, or something leaked a long time ago. We'll find out if there's a hole and we need to weld it or something, but I don't think we'll have to. I think it's all surface, just disgusting. We'll clean it all up real good in here, get this thing black, spray it all down, recoat it, repaint it, put everything back in here nice and pretty, get it done, get the seals done, go from there. But if I can get this on the ground first, then we'll start on that. That way when it's just lower to the ground, I can take my jacks back for that ugly thing. But yeah, just a quick update. I finally have a software to download, or an editing software, so no more of that ugly watermark I didn't even know that would have. But I didn't want to really fiddle with it at the time. I didn't have the money to buy the thing, but now that I have it, we're good to go. I think the only thing custom-wise, because this customer just wants it kind of restored, so no turbos or LS swap. We're definitely gonna do the Jeep to headlights, the headlight mod. Can't really think of anything else, to be honest with you, but just generic stuff. But yeah, we're getting there. Just a quick update, and if these parts can come in soon, I'll hopefully have another video soon. But we're waiting on those, and we'll go from there. Until then, I guess I'll see y'all later.